Good morning to all our UK viewers on the 27th of May 2024. Start your Monday with a positive message from ASTROPATH's Wake Up at 7 AM show. Today brings opportunities for growth and positivity. Embrace each moment with optimism and watch as your day unfolds beautifully. Have a fantastic day ahead. Here are 7 positive news stories from UK metro cities for May 27, 2024. London. Local schools achieve record high graduation rates, celebrating student success. Manchester. New community centre opens, offering free classes and support for local families. Birmingham. City launches initiative to plant 10,000 trees, boosting urban greenery and air quality. Glasgow. Youth-led environmental group wins national award for their efforts in sustainability. Liverpool. Local hospital celebrates milestone in patient recovery rates, thanks to innovative treatment methods. Bristol. City Council announces plans for new cycling lanes to encourage green commuting. Edinburgh. Historic landmark reopens after restoration, attracting tourists and locals alike to learn about the city's heritage. These stories showcase the positive developments and achievements happening across various UK cities today. Here are the horoscope predictions for Monday, the 27th of May, 2024, for our UK viewers. Aries, March 21st to April 19th. Today is a day to focus on your career and professional goals, Aries. You may receive recognition for your hard work or find opportunities for advancement. Stay focused and determined, Taurus, April 20th to May 20th. Taurus, today is a good day for financial matters. Look into investments or financial planning that could benefit you in the long term. Your practical approach will lead to success. Gemini, May 21st to June 20th. Your communication skills will be highlighted today, Gemini. It's a good day for networking, negotiations, or expressing your ideas. Your charm and wit will win over others. Cancer, June 21st to July 22nd. Cancer, focus on your health and well-being today. Take time to relax and recharge. A balanced diet and exercise routine will help you maintain your vitality. Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd. Today is a creative and expressive day for you, Leo. Pursue your artistic interests or hobbies. Your passion and creativity will shine through, inspiring others around you. Virgo, August 23rd to September 22nd. Virgo, focus on your home and family today. It's a good day for domestic matters, such as redecorating or spending quality time with loved ones. Create a harmonious atmosphere. Libra, September 23rd to October 22nd. Your social life will be active today, Libra. Attend social gatherings or connect with friends and colleagues. Your diplomacy and charm will strengthen your relationships. Scorpio, October 23rd to November 21st. Scorpio, today is a day for introspection and spiritual growth. Meditate or spend time alone to connect with your inner self. Trust your intuition to guide you in the right direction. Sagittarius, November 22nd to December 21st. Sagittarius, today is a day for learning and expansion. Pursue educational opportunities or travel experiences that broaden your horizons. Embrace new perspectives. Capricorn, December 22nd to January 19th. Capricorn, focus on your finances and career goals today. Set practical goals and work towards them diligently. Your hard work will lead to stability and success. Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th. Today is a day for humanitarian efforts and community involvement, Aquarius. Your innovative ideas can make a positive impact on others. Get involved in charitable activities. Pisces, February 19th to March 20th. Pisces, focus on your personal goals and ambitions today. Visualize your dreams and take practical steps towards achieving them. Trust in your intuition and believe in yourself. These horoscope predictions are meant to guide you through your day and help you make the most of your opportunities. Stay tuned for more insights and updates from Wake Up at 7 AM on AstroPath.